Hello everybody, welcome back to Carly's Kingdom. So hello guys, you may know me from another channel, which is probably Carly's, it's Carly's Land, Carly's Land, I'm sorry, I have bad memory. But sadly, we have to abandon that channel. So this is Carly's Kingdom. This is the latest episode. This is, my newest episode. And so today we are going to be playing a fun world called Farm Life. I've played this game world before, but, Farm Life series. I don't have that good of spelling, so that may not be correct. But don't get mad at me. I'm trying. Anyways, if you hear noise in the background, that's probably the cat. Anyway, I just gotta do something, and I'll be back. Bye. Sorry about that. I'll be editing that. Well, anyways, guys, I am back. I just needed to shut my door and get a drink. And you may be wondering, Carly, what are you wearing? These are my school clothes because it's a late night, but anyways, you don't need to enable any of these. I would like to enable one. Keep inventory on. But anyways, let's go. Okay, so yeah, loading in. So let's just. So this also has special packs on it. So, and some of these worlds will have packs. But anyways, let's do this. Anyways, so let's do this. Okay, so we've loaded up onto my world, and we have got some things in this. We have some coffee, some strawberry sweet tea, and you may see me moving couch just because I'm tiny. Some blueberry pie, brownies, a burrito, chocolate bar, and 5 monies. Anyways, so I've done this game before like a million times, and it's like, okay. Oh, hello, puppy. Hello. Okay. Just want to have a little look around because it's been a while since I've like this. But anyways, let's carry on. Oh, look at everybody. So I remember how you do this. So what you want to do is just go over here and do some stuff. So we are going to grab some strawberry seeds. Don't need that corn, but we're going to be needing some corn seeds. So I will begin planting these strawberries. Now let's get some bananas. Place down some banana seeds. There you go. And we have loads of corn. Here's my other banana tree. I forgot you at the beginning. Okay, one space. Yep. Okay, now it's time. Is my sound even on? Wait one sec. Huh? Oh. Okay, we done that. So now I just place down some more of these. And let's carry on. Should I let this be breaking like instantly, right? we got tons of this. Got 22 pieces of corn. Oh, dude, that's a lot. Anyways, I think this will be enough. Let's go anyways. Now, so let's go and, you know, just build. So I'm going to be futurely needing more seeds. Ooh, a poop. I'm going to be selling this one. So you may be wondering, Carly, why are you selling poops? It's because that means I get more money out of it. And more money I can mean that I get my seeds. And then more seeds I get, meaning, you know, that. Anyways, I got some wheat here. And I do not want to just want to get this poo. Oh, this is going to be a lot of poo. Hopefully come in here. Yak. Looks like nothing. Oh, wow. All of our supply of wheat is up here. Oh, another chest. I've never seen that. We got some oats. Corn, more corn. Okay. And some of this. Another chest. Some more corn. And some more oats. These will be useful. Anyways, I want to be getting some of this wheat to craft. Anyways, let's craft crafting table and the fried fish. It's called vegetable fluid or cooking oil. How do you create cooking oil? Avocados. Wait, what's it gonna be? Oh, I can make some bananas. I can make some bananas and some popcorn if I wanted. But I need some stuff for that. Oh, I could even eat some noodles with olive oil. And how do you make olive oil? I think you need olives for that. Anyways, let's get back down. Hello everybody, just mind me, I'm just doing my work. I'm pooping you here. It's very, very useful for me. Okay. Come on. One more you guy. Oh no, that thing opened up and never feels like. Anyways, guys, I got some wheat, got some poop, corn, the hey. I just where was that? Oh, more poop everywhere. Okay. Picky, don't eat my poop. A orange tree. Okay, cool. Okay. Take this. Now, let's go. Oh, something in here, isn't it? We got some these oat seeds, some more strawberry seeds, and some these. Okay, anyways, what we want to do is stop breaking up this grass. You don't have to do all of this, but you can only do some of it. You can, is this, when I first did this, it took me a while anyways. Ooh, there's my airplane. Yes, more. Okay, anyways, let's carry on. We're almost done here. It's like this. X, one sec, guys. X. What's it? What did I just look at? Wait, open? What? Iron golem. Okay, I got this. So, it's storing the seeds inside. It's okay. Okay, they should have renamed this at least. Also, these. So in the few. Okay. Wait. Okay, yes. In the future, I am thinking of getting like a green screen. Just, yeah. Loads of. Okay, I think that's enough for today. We do have a scarecrow here though. Okay. Low view angle. Oh, got some lots of seeds. Anyways, I gotta go now. I'm gotta go and plant some more seeds. This will be really, really useful. So, I don't know. Poop. It's 12 poops with 1 pound of strawberry seeds here. Gonna get some more strawberries. Spam these down just. And now we're gonna grab some oat seeds. Oh, these were good. So let's begin here. There we go. Now oat seeds here. Ah. Just one oat down. Anyways, I have some more banana seeds. I would like to plant some more bananas. Do I have... Oh, I have more corn seeds. I would like to plant some more corn. Corn? Anyways, it's getting dark out. Hey, hi, what's going on? Anyways, I gotta go. It's getting dark. So, guys, I want to tell you, today's episode may only be 20 minutes long or shorter because I have other things I need to do tonight. So, but we'll move on to the next day then. To sell a crop. To sell one, you know. Okay, anyways, we gotta get to rest. Okay, so that was our first day. So now we're gonna take the airplane, which we saw earlier when I was looking at the grass. Airplane. And you're going to be in for a surprise for this. 11 pieces of poop. Okay. Some wheat. Popcorn. Bananas. What? Aha! So I need to go and sell these crops. So I can, you know, get more money, then get more seeds. So let's get into my thing. Oop. Take flight, my pretty. There you go. Okay. I know this like way. I think it's go down, go down. Oh, that's another. Ah, don't want to go above cloud. Where is it? Oh, okay. Where is the damn phone? Sorry. Sorry, guys. I just get mad sometimes. I know it's here. I know it's here somewhere. Anyway, I gotta get down. Oh, okay. We gotta take flight. Aha! I know the way. I figure that out, turns out. See, I see the farm. See it right over here. And I see the shops. Haha. Okay, it's time to land. Brakes for impact. Ah! I'm here at my farm. Okay, use the baker. Okay, Dad. Oh, yeah, here. I think this was the guy I wanted to talk to. Yeah. Dude, you need to charge more. Anyways, I got some money now. Oh, let's get some food. I could get some onions. But I also want to sell these. Let's see down here. Aha, cool. Yeah, 4 money. Oh, 17. How about wheat? Could I sell wheat here? Well, now I can afford some more things, and I would like to get some garlic. Now. Okay, that's free, and I only have... I think I could get maybe... cabbage seeds would be good. And now that's all I can get. So anyways, guys, today we're now gonna probably have to leave this, but I love you guys. I like you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and ring that bell button, because then you'll get notified when I'm making more episodes. Bye!